let's blow your mind with some so cool science time. How does an atomic bomb work? Well, that's a wicked cool question, which means we're talking explosions, and there's nothing that makes me explode faster than when someone talks during a movie. You better be more entertaining than the movie! Because today, I'm gonna show you how to make your very own explosion right at home. It's gonna be a simple one, obviously. I just don't want to have a class action lawsuit against me for harming people, like Amazon's Mr. Beast games. Start by getting yourself an empty water bottle. You're gonna twist the bottom of it so you create pressure within the bottle. Okay, so what you're gonna do here is you're gonna release the cap slowly. Yeah, because see, if you release the cap too quickly, you're gonna get something anticlimactic like this. But if you do it right, you will actually release some BDE. Yeah, that's what that stands for. And of course, you'll get a wicked cool explosion, a lot like this. So cool, slow-mo instant replay. Whoa, now that's so friggin' wiggin' cool. You pop the top and created an explosion right at home. Now that's so friggin' wiggin' cool. Yeah, see what you did there is you actually popped the top and then it exploded and the air went all over the place. So they popped the top off. It's gotta be cool. You gotta go do it.
Then the blast tears away part of each roof.
So, why does the cap pop off so quickly? And what does this have to do with, well, atomic explosions? Well, don't look at me. Take a closer look at this. An explosion is any form of matter releasing its energy instantaneously, turning an area of high pressure into rapid low pressure, just like the water bottle, which releases its energy in the form of compressed air immediately when there's a crack in the cap. An atomic bomb is usually made up of two bombs, where the atomic matter, such as uranium or plutonium, is wrapped with an explosive. The explosive is detonated with an electric charge, compressing the inner heavier nuclear matter with so much pressure that it triggers a nuclear fission, or atoms splitting, which sets off a chain reaction of other atoms splitting. This releases an enormous amount of energy, expanding and heating the air to temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun. This in turn sets off a shockwave of air with speeds faster than a Category 5 hurricane, and travels about twice the speed of sound. You might think of bombs as a destructive force meant to cause damage, but the Swedish Air Force uses small controlled explosives which create a shockwave of air to extinguish wildfires that are out of control. So now you know more about nuclear fission. Being able to create an explosion with a pop bottle right at home is why science is such a blast.